Okay, hello guys, welcome to this class with tomgraphix. Today we're going to be learning how to design that simple modern template online flyer. So without wasting much time, let's begin. All right, so Control A, select all, take it out, keep it right there. All right, so you want to get a rectangle. Your flyer is usually a rectangle. Background is white, but let's give it light gray, so just so we can see what is going on. All right, so first you want to get this shape by getting a rectangle again. Select your rectangle, bring it upwards a bit. Notice that this space is equal to this space. Then hold Shift, select the first rectangle and trim. So now you have that. Next up is a similar shape but a smaller one. Repeat the same process. Hold Shift, select, trim again. All right, now reduce this rectangle, the upper rectangle, bring it down. Has to look more like a square, increase size. Them, we need 2 of them. And then stretch this one that way. Select this, hold the Shift, bring it down, then reduce it just like that. Duplicate this too, have it that way. So this and this, give it that color. Come over to your outline width, select none to remove outline, and then click weld to make them the same body. Your letter Z on the keyboard is a shortcut for the zoom, so when you do see the Z, you don't get confused. All right, so give that a bit of gray, say 50%. Come here, remove outline, give that 10% gray, remove outline, give that 20% gray, remove outline, give this a white, remove outline also. All right, so now you want to select all of these bodies, click on it a second time, and your marquis turn to skew marquis. Hold your Control on the keyboard and turn 1, 2 and 3. See that? And then release. Click again to come back to your normal select marks and place it somewhere there, somewhere right there. Let's increase a bit by holding Shift and pulling out. All right, now click on Group or Control G on your keyboard. Group the objects and get another rectangle across here. Drag it so it overlaps on the unwanted portion of your drawing. Hold Shift, select the drawing and trim out the unwanted part. Delete that out. Get another rectangle. Increase it until it intersects with the unwanted parts downwards. Hold Shift, select and trim again. Delete that out. Get another rectangle on this end of your drawing. Bring it down, select and trim again, and then delete that out. All right. select your original rectangle here, hold shift just so you can reduce it up and down uniformly. Give it that deep gray, hold shift, select the first rectangle, hit shift page down on your keyboard to take both rectangles to the back of your drawing. Adjust that to sit appropriately. Alright, now select this body and ungroup so you can treat each body independently. Select the top part shape, come to transparency tool and apply uniform transparency on it. That's a little too big, too much. You want to reduce that, make it 30, hit enter. Okay, that's fine. Make this a little deeper. All right, let's look for that image. Let's look. There it is. There it is. All right, duplicate that, place that inside this rectangle using the right click and holding Ctrl and dragging across. As you release, you see power clip inside. Give it an outline. Give it that outline. All right. Now let's get that out. All right. Now you need this body in grayscale. Come to bitmap mode, select grayscale, increase it, and then pick the transparency, fade it uniformly, increase your transparency by 20, that's 70. Drag it across and release, and then select power clip, give it black. Increase that to 85. Fade that too. Place it in here. Okay, next up, let's get that logo. Let's get that logo over there. Logos don't have to waste much time with you. Round the corners, turn by 45, duplicate, get a portion of the same drawing, trim that out, delete that, draw that across, trim, delete that, give it that remove outline, give it that color, increase outline. All right, company name, you have company name, you have company tagline. Use the shape tool to hold up, bring those together. Hit Ctrl K on your keyboard to separate the texts. Then reduce your tagline a bit. Yeah, that's fine. Next up is your little triangle there. Rotate it by, sorry, that's a square. Rotate it by 45. Hit enter on your keyboard. And as always, trim the unwanted portion out, delete that, give it the color, remove outline. Let's have that modern template. Modern template. Use the shape tool to increase the kerning and reduce font size. Modern template, as that. Next up, give it white. Online business intelligence. Select online, give it the lighter version of the same font. Use your shape tool to shrink your spacing. Hold shift, select a triangle, press E on your keyboard to centralize vertically. Alright, up next is the annual report. Annual report with the thick font. There you have February 2023. Or rather 23 February. Get a line there across, give it a lighter shade of gray. Down here you have business template. Rotate that by 45. Give it gray. Lighter, the smaller font. Business tagline 1, tagline 2, tagline 3. And down here, with the very light font, it's going to be your business.com, simply standing in for your website address. Okay, so you want to select all of that, convert to bitmap. Okay, and then you want to come to effects, apply the Gaussian blur. See that? Gaussian blur. Reduce a bit. Okay. Get a whole new rectangle that's large enough to swallow up everything. Hit shift page down to take it to the back. Give it a lighter version of gray. Hold that there, reduce it down. End your drag with the right click to duplicate. Hold shift plus the first rectangle, shift page down again to take it to the back. Give that a darker version of gray. Come here, pick your transparency tool and fade it upwards. Alright, so pick this now, your blurred image, duplicate and have 2 of them. Let's increase the background. Select everything but your design and hit shift page down to take it to the back. convert that to bitmap again. Select your transparency tool and click on uniform transparency to feed it more, just so it doesn't compete with your main work. Alright, so folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for when we have new videos.